What's up, guys? How's it going? So today we're gonna be doing a trade recap. Today we caught a nice little dub. We only took one trade today. We ended up winning that trade, and we made around $13,500 today. I'm gonna go through this trade, break it down for you guys, so you guys can see what exactly we did inside of the trade, and then how you can maybe replicate it for yourself. So let's get into it. Let's get right into it. So today, going into the day, obviously it's a no news Monday, and if you guys know me, I don't typically like trading no news Mondays. It's just not my thing. I've never been really big into it. Normally Mondays is like my worst trading day of all days. So I try to avoid the market at all times just to make myself more probable whenever I am trading. So we come into the day. Obviously, we go over to market open. Let's see. Market open is right around. Let me select the bar. Market opens right around here. So we come in. Market opens here. We end up hitting this level that I have marked out. Obviously, I'm not looking just for trades off the levels, like just the level itself. Obviously, there's other things that I want to see happen. And so coming into the day, we had market open, a really big reaction. So that's market open candle. And then we obviously play a few candles and we kind of stay within this range of, just market open. If you check it out, the market open candles are the highest, they're the highest highs and the lowest lows that we have inside the entire market. So when I'm going into this, I'm expecting to see some sort of movement. We didn't take any buy side or sell side liquidity for a straight hour after opening. We did not go and take any liquidity literally whatsoever. So I'm waiting for market to break out in some direction. So when market breaks out, we go head down, we hit this level. Now, off of this level, what do I see? If I go to the higher time frames, what do we have? We have a nice gap right here, right next to the level. Also, if we check the 15-minute, we go right here. This is where I have my level drawn out. I had this level drawn out. I was looking for market open today. I was looking for us to hit this level. That's where I knew I would take my trade going into the market. Before market even showed signs of wanting to come down, I was looking for this level to be hit. So what happens is we hit this level and you see this nice wick right here. This is what we call a rejection block. There's also multiple times where these rejection blocks can occur. There's one right here on the 15-minute. Obviously, this trade played out in favor of the rejection block. And market likes to reject this level right here. It's happened multiple times. So when we do it again, I'm looking for this rejection block. I draw it out, and then I take the consequent encroachment of that block, which is right here on the 15-minute. You guys can see I mark out the high and the low of the candle's wick. So right here, I'm just going to undo this, show you guys how I mark this out. We go in, we take our rectangle, and some people use the Gann box. I just use a rectangle, same thing. You mark out the candle's wick on each end, and then you find the consequent encroachment of the 50% line or the middle line of the rejection block. So what I do is, if we take a little step back here, I see that this happens, right? And then I go ahead and I'm looking at, okay, I see this rejection block. It looks good. If we want to continue up, I'm going to target some sort of internal highs right here or internal highs right here. Whatever I'm looking for, I'm going to look for a retracement into this rejection block. And for this case, I use the consequent encroachment, which is the middle line of the rejection block. So I go here, looking at it, boom, boom, play a few candles. As you can see, we come down into that. And so my position gets filled right here. I can't really replay it and enter the trade on replay because you can't do limit orders on replay. But we ended up getting filled right here. And then I see this high that we made previously. This is internal liquidity that I target. And obviously, as that plays out, we see our trade get hit right here. Bang. You guys can see on Twitter. And I can also just show you right here. Go to my account. These are my straight to funded accounts. Account summary, 2,000. You guys can't see it right here. $2,715. And this is across 5 different accounts. So that's how we ended up playing today. Today obviously played out really, really good. And we're just going to continue to do that for the rest of the week. Obviously, I have the replay. I can show you guys the replay of the trade that I took. Here's the actual live replay. I was on a call with a student as I seen this come out and as I seen this trade play out. Let's look right here. This should be the replay of the trade. I was on the call with a student, and you see we get filled right here. And I don't know why it's not letting me edit this right now. But yeah, you can see we got filled there, and then it takes a couple minutes, but we end up hitting TP. But you guys can see the fill there. It's all clear there for you. But yeah, if you guys don't follow my Twitter already, I posted this trade on Twitter. I showed you guys my P&L. And basically the confluences that made me enter this trade on Twitter. I'm going to move my face cam so you guys can see. But yeah, right here, this is my Twitter. If you guys don't follow, that link is in the description. I basically show all my trade recaps, just other things as well on Twitter. Like always, if you guys aren't following that, go ahead, just follow that link in the description. But yeah, that's the trade we took today. Obviously, 1 for 1 today. We didn't take anything else. I'll turn on execution so you guys can see we took that today, and that was it. Let me turn off replay mode so you guys can see this right here. This is the executions. Bang, we got filled, and then we ended up getting. Oh wait, this was. Oh no. This was an account that I took profits early because of my consistency rule. This right here was 2,715, and then my other accounts, as you guys can see, these are other accounts that I have on Twitter. You guys seen this? This is where I got filled, and this is where I took profit. There's the executions on the other accounts. I'm copy trading about 18 accounts right now. Obviously, a lot of accounts. It's a lot to manage, but the best of the best can do it, and I'm trying to make myself one of those. I'm trying to work my way up to just get a nice little. I'll get a little stamp of just like a certification to myself. Like I want to prove to myself that I can manage and make money on that many accounts because it is a lot and it's very hard. But I want to prove to myself that I can do it. So I've been doing that as recently. We're doing pretty good. You guys can see all the trade recaps, all the posts on Twitter. We've been doing really good. But yeah, we continue on keeping this up, and yeah, it's really just gonna be trying to protect capital for the rest of this week. I need around $6,000 more until I can get a $15,000 payout on these Tradify accounts, which would be nice. And so we're just gonna keep killing it. We're gonna keep doing what we do and repeat it day in and day out. Just keep repeating the same processes that got us here in the first place, and that's how we're gonna make some money, right? But yeah, if you guys want to check out the free course, link in the description, as well as the best prop firm that you guys can get, the link is in the description. Alpha Futures. If you use my code AVAL, you guys get a % off of their accounts. It's the best prop firm in the game. I've shown proof objectively on why they are the best firm. If you guys are in the Discord, go check out the prop firm section. Again, use code AVAL and Alpha Futures. If you guys want to check out the free course, show you guys literally so many different things on trading. Like any topics that you guys need help on, I guarantee you it's in there. And I plan on making more episodes as time goes on for the free course. So I'll be showing you guys that. If you guys go check out the free course link in the description, go check that out. Also Twitter, Instagram, all those things, it's in the description. Just go make sure you check out the description. There's so much value there. You're not going to regret it. Just go ahead and check it out. Other than that, see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. God bless you all. Have a great day.